if your Venmo account is frozen, there might be a lot of different ways that you could go ahead and try to unfreeze your account. So the first thing you want to do is check your email. So Venmo sends an email explaining why your account is suspended or frozen, which often includes direct instructions on how to resolve the issue. So, if there are any failed payments, if it is frozen due to a failed transaction, log in the app and follow the prompts to repay the balance. If that is not the case, you might need to go ahead and use a debit card to cover a negative balance, which is going to be faster than a bank transfer, which can take up to business days, 5 business days. If that is not the case, you might also need to go ahead and verify your identity. You may need to provide your identification document through the app to verify your identity, which will fix your problem. If none of it works, simply go ahead and try contacting Venmo support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you